Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Thursday, and it was a snow day. So the kids are home.
It's our last day before break.
Yeah, they got an extra day on spring break, which...
Yep, and they had to miss out their St. Patty's party. They got their Skate City canceled last night. The snow didn't even start till late in the night, so...
Yeah.
It was a bummer because they were been looking forward to that. The last Skate City party they had got canceled because of snow, and this was the rescheduled day of it. So
yeah,
it was a bummer. But,
yeah, because today is St. Patrick's Day, so
yeah, it's spring break though now, so we have
break.
lots of fun stuff planned for them. But
yep. Right now they're downstairs watching TV and playing iPad games, and
we're trying. Yeah, we didn't
living
even
it
get,
up.
I mean, it's almost 2. We started working, I'd say, at noon today, about after we fed them lunch and everything.
Yeah.
So
yeah, and I got
just trying to get stuff cleaned up here. Not a whole lot happening, but
I got a corned beef up in the pot or in the crock pot.
I love corned beef so much.
Although we didn't get cabbage, we didn't get the ingredients in time, so we're missing the cabbage.
We bought the meat a week ago. Like, okay, we don't want the meat to run out, but then we're like, we'll get the other stuff a couple days before, and then the day before we're like, crap, we didn't get the rest of the stuff to go with it. So.
It's been one of those weeks, but
it's okay.
Yeah, at least we got the beef.
Yeah.
What do you think? You need to go, boy.
He doesn't care. I'm gonna give you something at the end, Reese.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm not gonna say it. We were gonna give it to him before we started, but he acts a little crazy when he has it.
Yeah,
so
they're right there, the treats.
Oh, I thought I had something on my face.
Oh, I just said it out loud. And
I did want to first think. I feel like I'm gonna say it wrong. I think it's Shirley. So Shirley, thank you so much. She bought us a coffee. Said thanks so much for the spreadsheet. She loves it. So thank you.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for the support. Yeah. We're glad you love it.
Yeah. Okay. So one of the things I got done today was printing labels, at least. The bare minimum that we have to do in a day.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did get a few items cleaned up. We like some shoes from the bins.
Yeah. So basically, all I've done today was type in the rest of the bins haul that was covering this whole table yesterday.
Yeah.
Now it's over there, but it's all ready to go for the most part.
Photograph, right?
I gotta throw some of the clothes down to get washed and stuff, but otherwise the shoes are all ready to go and whatnot. So, yeah. I did sell these Nike Fly Knit shoes for $40 plus shipping on Mercari. That was an offer I sent out late last night. Again, because we just haven't had a lot of sales going in. Mm-hmm. We were watching Charlie and the Chocolate Factory with our son who just finished the book, and
yeah,
I was just sending some offers while we watched, and someone just accepted a few minutes ago, but I did pay $14.99 for those, so I am making close to $20 profit, which is great.
Yeah. I think that one's actually the Willy Wonka, right? The older.
Oh, yeah, the older. Well, we watched
older
the
movie.
Is the book the older version or the newer version? I feel like the book's the newer version.
I think it's I don't know. I've never read the book, honestly.
Yeah. So I want to watch the new movie with I don't think I've ever seen the newer version, actually.
Yeah, I've seen them both. I like the original way more with Gene Wilder.
I really love Willy Wonka.
Yeah.
I did sell this little baby Bowden sweater. I got this out of Hope's box. So again, we've already broken even on the box. So now we're counting everything as zero cost of goods. Sold it for 20 plus ship. That was an offer I also sent during Willy Wonka. So
sweet.
Those are just going UPS. So I need to find a brown box in the closet. This little sweater, I'm gonna just put in a poly mailer.
Oh yeah, these are going in the brown box because UPS.
Baby Bowden. Let's do a cute little woodland mailer on that one. Okay, BE got some Facebook sales. Again, because sales have been so slow, I'm just trying everything I can. So I added, when we were in the car yesterday, headed up to Chris's haircut, I put on a Facebook sale, I think 15% off or something. Got 2 sales overnight. Like, I haven't had Facebook sales in a couple days, so I definitely think the sale is doing something for me.
Yeah.
If you hear that, that's our kids just playing. All right, this Orvis men's pullover sold for $21.50 plus shipping, and I had $5.99 into that, so not too bad.
Sweet.
That one. They can have a woodland mailer too. All right, AP. Over here.
Oh, my Lucy Bear. The tummy rub.
Alright, this is a men's Tommy Bahama. It's like a palm tree, like kind of vacation button up. I actually bought this for Chris. Well, I bought it because I always just look in his size. I buy stuff. Sometimes he wants it, sometimes he doesn't. He did like this and he wore it and I didn't like it on him. So after I washed it, I decided to sell it, which he's probably sad about. But hey, I sold it for $30, 41 cents plus ship. And I did buy it at a Goodwill. So I couldn't have paid more than like $5.99 for that.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I just didn't love it. Like, I didn't like how close the print was.
She doesn't like me looking nice and clean and good.
Yeah.
She likes to keep me in my place.
So, let's put that in one of these sendal mailers. Okay, AG, some Skechers. These are some Skechers tone-up, so sort of like a shape-up, I guess. Yeah, I bought these way out back a while ago, so these have taken a while to sell. I have $7.99 into them. A few months back, I was adding best offer to a lot of older listings on eBay, and I believe somebody offered on these because I don't think they ended up selling for $21 plus ship, which that wasn't the price they were listed for, and I didn't send an offer that I remember. So I think somebody made me an offer and got auto accepted. So $21. I'm making about a $10 profit.
Okay.
That is fine with me for something that's been sitting a while. Well, it's fine with me always to make a $10 profit, but
Yeah.
shoes I always kind of hope for 15 and 20, but it's been sitting, it's been sitting.
Padded flat rate for that.
Okay, AL. Colorado shirt. Where you at? This was something that was just out of my closet. Again, something I picked up at Goodwill at some point. I wore it a few times and decided to list it. So, sold it for $10 plus shipping. So, I probably paid no more than $5 for it. Not a ton of money there, but I got a few bucks and yeah. Okay. CZ. I was hoping nothing was over on this side because I didn't want to move the rack.
Yeah, we kind of put the rack here when we're not really using it, and or when we're not getting in and out of these inventory boxes. But
Yeah.
we didn't move it yet.
These are a pair of kids' Vans. I picked these up when I went to Castle Rock last week for $8.99 at their Goodwill, and I sold them on Mercari for $25 plus ship. So again, that was an offer I sent out. So I did get 3 offers just from me sending out, I don't know, I probably sent out 100, I would say. So it's not like a huge, like, I don't want you to think if you go send offers to everything, you're going to make a bunch of sales. 'Cause
Right.
I'm happy with 3 sales, but yeah, you're not going to like sell everything probably.
Yeah, it may or may not be worth your time. You know, like Kathy said, she was doing that while we were driving to go get my haircut, or we were watching Willy Wonka.
Yeah.
So
It's just what I do, either when sales are slow or yeah, I just,
have
I'm in
extra
a car
time.
and I don't have
Yeah.
my computer, so I just do what I can.
Yeah.
I did sell this Talbot sweater on Facebook. I have $5.59 into it. It sold for $24.94 plus shipping. It is 100% cashmere, so
Okay.
yeah, a normal Talbot's like cotton sweater would probably not sell for that much. Let's do a moon floral. So this last sale is actually in my kid bag. I think it's this one. There's 2 pairs of Abercrombie jeans in here, but I think it's the lighter pair. These are just my son's pants. Sold them for $18 plus shipping. These were something I sent an offer on Mercari as well. So I guess I got 4 sales from me sending offers.
All right.
So yeah, I don't remember what I bought those for. Probably, I'm making back like 15. I don't even think I bought them for that much. So
Well, cool.
that's what we got.
That's what we got. That's for now. And, you know, it's 2 o'clock, so we have probably another 2 hours because the kids are home. You know, as it was a snow day. When they're not home, we got to go pick them up. We usually go around 3:30, get the stuff off to the post office. But when they are home, we kind of push it back till right around 4 because our post office closes at 4:30. So we're going to pack this stuff up. Oh, we did have a viewer who was from Australia, and I should have responded to your comment when I saw it. But you were asking about snow days, and delays and all that kind of stuff. So yes, when we have a snow day or a 2-hour delay, that's just the school. So, you know, like we work from home, we can manage, but there's a lot of people that, you know, work out of the home. Most people actually. And yeah, they have to figure it out. So
I know, they've been trying to do it. I feel like they think this is better, which maybe it is for working people. Like last night when I picked up the kids, they basically told us, and then as soon as school ended, they sent the email saying tomorrow's a snow day.
4 o'clock.
Before it had even snowed, before anything. Like whereas years ago they would
wait till the
like
morning,
5 a.m. and make a decision. So
Yeah.
I mean, I guess that puts parents in it. I guess even worse predicament. But
Yeah.
either way, it's pretty stinky for especially working parents. And
it's
'cause
not
they still have
a
to go to work. I imagine their bosses aren't going to let them have days after days after days off for snow because work doesn't get canceled because of snow, you know?
Yeah. Sometimes it does.
Yeah.
Sometimes it does, but...
And those days, those are the really bad snow days. This is not a really bad snow day.
Right.
Even what we woke up to was not a really bad snow day, so... Yeah, and not only that, some kids count on the food that they get at school for breakfast and lunch, and so it's just sad.
It is. It is. You know, growing up, like we didn't have even the phone systems. Like we get text messages, like if they decide in the middle of the night, we'll get a text and an email and all that kind of. When we grew up, that stuff wasn't around. So we'd wake up and watch the TV, and there'd be like a ticker on the bottom of the news, and you know that's how we found out if we had a snow day or not. But things have changed a lot. And so for the average American, it's very inconvenient. To answer your question. So yeah, we're gonna get the stuff packed up and check back in a little bit later. Hopefully we have a couple more sales to pull, and we'll see you guys then. He's got the good life right there. Us, on the other hand, have been working. Kathy just counted up. What do you got?
40 listings,
40
photographed, not anything else yet. So Chris will probably draft them. We're talking about because we have our live tonight. Probably just list during that since we got a late start because of the snow day. So.
Yep.
Yeah, it's about to be. Yeah, we got to take these, and then we got.
Yeah, we did not actually have any more sales come through.
Yeah.
Not surprising, but a little disappointing, I guess. It is what
Obviously,
it is.
I wish I got a sale every.
Yeah.
I want to say hour, but if I wish I got a sale every hour, shouldn't I wish I got a sale every minute or every second?
Or just randomly got $1 trillion and
I wish I got $1 million. No, I wish I got all the money in the world.
Right. If we're wishing, why not wish big, right? So I did bag up some stuff quickly, and this is kind of the state of the shop right now. That's all stuff I can work on bagging.
I've been liking using that table over there, but it's
awkward.
It's inconvenient to move it all the time, but so we're still trying to figure all that out.
Yep.
Until we have a better or bigger space. I don't want to say better. This is a really nice space.
This is a nice space, yeah.
So just bigger. I just wish our downstairs had extra rooms. We could have either a prep room or just have our office space down. I don't know, just separated more to where the mess doesn't have to be in the everyday part. That's
honestly, in a perfect if we're making wishes, in a perfect world, if we had a dedicated inventory space. Right, nice big open. I'd say an unfinished basement would be optimal if we're working from home.
Yeah.
And then having a dedicated photographing area, a studio.
I like it pretty, so if we're wishing, I don't want it to be a finished basement.
Yeah. With recessed lighting.
One bedroom is the office with the computers. One bedroom is the photography room. One bedroom is the mess of. That's where you grab your items from, and then one is all the storage. That's what I would wish for, I guess.
I wish we had free workers just to do all the work for us. That's what I'm wishing for. Anyway, guys, we're done making wishes. That's going to be it for today. So no other sales to pack up. We're going to take the stuff off to the post office. I don't have my watch on. I think it's
4:04.
It's just after 4 o'clock. So we're going to be live later tonight doing some listing. I'll probably I don't know if I want to bag that stuff on camera just because the sound of the crinkle. I feel like that's too loud, but hopefully you guys came by and hung out with us. Hunged out. Hopefully you guys came and spent some time with us on the live tonight, and we'd love to see you guys there. We do lives every Thursday. Next Thursday, the 24th, we're going to be out of town, and we're going to try to live stream. So I don't know if it's going to work, but we should be. We're going to be at a hotel that night, right? We're not driving or anything that day. So hopefully their internet's good enough. We'll just do a little live from our hotel room, Airbnb room, whatever, and just hang out. And yeah, so hopefully we'll see you there if we didn't see you guys last night or tonight. But that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the support today, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.